Meal preparation and diet planning for weight loss in 2024 require a technical approach. It's all about optimizing your meals to be low in calories while still providing the necessary nutrients. Let's dive into the detail.
Hey there, blissful souls! Welcome to Blissful Habits, your go-to destination for a joyful and effective fat-burning journey. Your guide on this adventure to cultivating habits that not only melt away the pounds, but also infuse your life with positivity and bliss. Get ready for invigorating workouts, mouth-watering recipes, and a daily dose of motivation to make every step towards a healthier you a celebration. If you're ready to ignite the fire within and transform your habits, you're in the right place. Subscribe, join our community, and let's embark on this blissful, fat-burning journey together. Now, let the joyous transformation begin.
First, you need to calculate your daily calorie intake goal. This will depend on your current weight, height, age, and activity level. There are various online calculators and apps available to help you with this. Once you have your calorie goal, it's time to plan your meals accordingly. Start by choosing a variety of lean proteins, such as chicken breast, turkey, fish, or tofu. These are low in calories and high in protein, which will help you feel full and satisfied. Next, select a range of colorful vegetables like broccoli, spinach, bell peppers, and carrots. These will provide essential vitamins and minerals without adding many calories. YD rates: opt for whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, or whole wheat bread. These are rich in fiber and will keep you energized throughout the day. Don't forget to include healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and olive oil. These will add flavor to your meals and help you absorb fat-soluble vitamins. Now, let's talk about meal prepping. Invest in a set of good quality food containers that are divided into compartments. This will help you portion your meals correctly. Spend a few hours on the weekend to cook and prepare your meals for the week ahead. Divide your proteins, vegetables, and carbohydrates into separate compartments. Make sure to measure and weigh your portions accurately to stay within your calorie goal. You can also add some low-calorie sauces or dressings to enhance the taste of your meals. Remember to include snacks in your meal prep. Opt for fruits, Greek yogurt, or a handful of nuts for a quick and healthy snack option. Keep track of your daily calorie intake using a food diary or a mobile app to ensure you're staying on track. Lastly, stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Water not only keeps you hydrated but also helps control your appetite. Avoid sugary drinks and opt for herbal teas or infused water for added flavor. In conclusion, meal preparation and diet planning for weight loss in 2024 require a technical approach. Calculate your calorie goal, choose low-calorie ingredients, portion your meals correctly, and stay hydrated. With dedication and consistency, you'll be on your way to achieving your weight loss goals. We begin to age the moment we are born. Continuous exposure to stressors from within, the environment, and the foods we eat and external to our bodies all contribute to our aging throughout time. Although aging is a very complicated process, scientists are beginning to comprehend what occurs at the molecular and cellular levels. For example, when our immune systems stop responding, over time, healthy cells suffer harm. To acute issues like wounds and infections, to the slow development of chronic inflammation, all throughout the body. Additionally, as we age, the telomeres that cover our DNA containing chromosomes increasingly shrink. Our bodies become less and less equipped to handle stress internally as a result of these and other changes. And outside of our body. Thus, when harm accumulates to a certain degree, our tissues, cells, and our health begins to deteriorate, and our organs may stop functioning properly. On some level, aging-related changes begin to occur on day one. Early in childhood, we start to feel their consequences. For instance, as teenagers, our cognitive ability to hear specific high-frequency noises declines. The strength of our bones and memory gradually deteriorates after reaching their peak in our mid-20s. Starts to fall in our 30s, Female fertility starts to drop off quickly after 35, and nearsightedness increases with age. Because of this, aging changes become more apparent after the age of 50. The largest risk factor for the majority of adult diseases is aging. The likelihood of developing a chronic illness increases with age. Although researchers are unable to halt these aging processes at this time, they are discovering more and more about preserving our health over time. Our genetics and family history are two factors that contribute to our aging. However, we can get knowledgeable about moderate risk factors and make every effort to mitigate them. Healthy eating habits and way of life. If we look after ourselves, the majority of us can continue to be active and healthy well into our senior years. Starts in our mid-40s, and as early as our 30s and 40s, our hair begins to thin and become gray. It should come as no surprise that engaging in regular physical activity helps support maintaining a healthy weight. Moods, sleep patterns, and general well-being. Furthermore, it is evident that a healthy diet rich in nutrient-dense foods and well-balanced is essential. However, these intense activities increase our metabolic rate, which means our bodies continue to burn calories even after we've finished exercising. This is known as the afterburn effect or excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, EPOC. So, whether you're opting for a leisurely walk or pushing yourself to the limit, both low and high-intensity exercises have their place in fat burn. The key is finding a balance that works for you and your fitness goals. However, a lot of nutrition study has been done to help us understand which foods are the healthiest options. Has focused on how specific meals or nutrients may have a negative effect on health, or even contribute to the development of illness. Scientists have only lately started to investigate and comprehend the potential significance that nutrition may play in encouraging aging in a healthful manner throughout all phases of life. The knowledge of which foods and nutrients to prioritize in our diets is expanding quickly and how they could improve our well-being. It has been demonstrated by diets rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and lean meats. Health advantages like reduced weight, better glucose regulation in diabetes, and lowered blood pressure. Reduction in the risk of cancer and cardiovascular events, easing the symptoms of arthritis, to mention a handful. Additionally, our knowledge of the precise nutrients that may affect health is growing. Plant pigments, for instance, can prevent diseases in bright orange and red fruits and vegetables. Can impede the development of eye disorders. Calcium contributes to strong bones. B vitamins are important for preserving brain function. Furthermore, several plant-based flavonoids may strengthen our cardiovascular systems. In the end, you are the only one who can sustain and enhance your vitality and health to your years and lower your chance of illness. Furthermore, there is always time to make a change. To discover more about the vitamins and minerals that are essential to your health and how to do it safely, use dietary supplements. Watch if your food isn't providing you with enough of these nutrients.
Consistency is key to achieving your fitness goals. Thank you for joining us on this journey to a blissful, healthier you.